What's going on, guys? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to start a Shopify dropshipping store step by step, basically illustrating everything that I do today to build out these brands. It's a super easy process in 2024, especially with all the tools that we have available right now. You can literally get your store up and running in just a few days, which back in the day when I started in 2018, it took a lot longer. And I'm not going to cover what dropshipping is. You probably already know if you are watching this video right now. So there's going to be no fluff, no gatekeeping. We're just going to get right into it on the exact method that I do to this day on how to build stores from scratch. So let's get right into it. I'm going to cover these steps. The first thing that we need to do, obviously, when we're trying to build out our Shopify store is find a product. If we don't have a product to sell, there's nothing that we can really do. We can't build a website. We can't get ad creatives. This is really the first step in starting this business. You need to figure out what you want to sell. And by the way, everything that I talk about in this video to make your life easier, all the tools that I use, everything will be down below in the description. Now, you don't have to use all of these tools. A lot of them have free trials and you just might want to test it out. But these are just my recommendations and what I use to this day to make the process so much easier. All right, so the first thing obviously is going into the product research. When doing product research, I like to use Monea. I've been using them for many years now. They make product research super easy. They just kind of consolidate everything for you and really present it to you in a nice way. So this is the platform that I use to look for the products. And obviously you can't just pick any random product. You want to kind of go through some sort of criteria for finding these products. The most important thing to look for in finding a winning product are the marketing angles. So when you're looking for a product, the more marketing angles that you can come up with, the higher chance of success that you have of making that product a winner. And you're probably asking, what are marketing angles? So I've got a great example for you right here. It's called Zima Dental. I've been talking about them a lot lately. I just found them on Instagram on like a random ad, but they do such a crazy job of their company in terms of marketing angles. So the product itself is a jewelry cleaner, right? You've probably seen this. It's like the supersonic vibrations, and you put in your jewelry into it, it cleans it off like a watch or whatever. So all they did was take this product, they put their label on it, and then they added the marketing angle on top of it. And the marketing angle that they used was using this product that's traditionally a jewelry cleaner and actually using it for retainer cleaners, right? You can see right here in this example on their website, they're dropping it in there. They also will upsell you the pods that are cleaning your retainer, like the solution for it, which is on a monthly reoccurring subscription, which is why I like using this company as an example so much. One, because they have a fantastic marketing angle and it's a great example for it. And two, they run subscription model, which is also really cool and helps you increase your revenue and your lifetime value of your customer. So I hope that explains what a marketing angle is. So when we're looking for the product, we want to figure out as many marketing angles that we can possibly come up with for this product. If you can come up with 3 marketing angles, that's not too bad. If you can come up with 10 unique ones, the chance of that product becoming a winner is huge, right? You have 10 shots that you're taking in terms of advertising to where it might resonate with a certain demographic of people based on that marketing angle. So let's just do a quick example of this when we're looking for a product. Again, I'm just on Monea here. We can go on to TikTok, top 10 winning products of the day. Give me just 1 second here and I'll find a product. All right, so here is a product that I found and I'm just gonna click on it and go off the bat for some marketing angles. So this product is a gel remover for your nails. Great product, right? And the angles that we could take with this is no more damage to your nails. Maybe when you go into the nail salon and they remove it with acetone or whatever it is, it might damage your nails. So this is just like a laser. I actually don't know how this works, but you pour in your solution or whatever and it heats it up. I don't really know how this works at all, but it basically can save your nail beds, right? You could also play on the marketing angle of saving money. If you go into a nail salon and you have to remove your old gel nails, maybe it costs 30 bucks. This product costs like $60. So you'd be saving money over time after your second use of the product. Another angle that you could take with this would be like a gift for your girlfriend if she always loves doing her gel nails but hates going into the salon. This is the perfect at-home solution for you. So overall, it's a pretty cool product. I like this one. I would actually recommend selling it, but that's what the marketing angles are and how they're contributing into your product research. So step 1 is finding your product. And once you've done that, we want to move on to step 2, which is building out your website around this product. So to build out your website, you're typically going to go onto Shopify, start your trial, log in, download a theme, start uploading all the images and all that stuff, right? And building your store on Shopify can take some time. There's a little bit of a learning curve in terms of how the platform works, how to upload products, what apps you need, all that stuff. I'm not going to go into detail on the full store build. I've got plenty of videos on my channel about that, but I am going to show you one cool thing that makes it a lot easier to build out your website, especially now in 2024. It's an AI store builder. So I partnered with Shopify to be able to make this happen for you guys. It's completely free. All I have to do is click the link down below in the description. It'll take you to this page right here. I know it's not super pretty. I'm updating it with them. So how it works is you just plug in your email. You can make one up here, and then you're going to hit access. And what's great about this and the offer that I can actually provide you guys, one, it's completely free. And two, you're going to get access to a full course from me personally with all ecom resources as well in a Google Drive. And those resources are, top 200 plus winning products with suppliers already linked, how much you should be selling them for. I've got financial resources in terms of tracking your sales and your margins. We've also got email flows on there, add creative examples, just a bunch of great ecom resources that you guys can use. So this is the folder you're going to get access to. Again, it's completely free. So it's kind of a no-brainer to get this, especially if you're starting out. Full dropshipping course, add creative examples, dropshipping funnel example and how to set it up, email marketing resources, financial sheets, influencer marketing outreach, scripts, potential products, testimonials of all my methods that have worked for some of my clients. And we've got website prep or like your go live checklist. So it's pretty much everything that you need to get started, all completely for free. Again, I'll have that down below in the description. And once you go through that store builder process, there are some things that you have to adjust and change on it. It's not going to make it 100% perfect. You still have to make it customized to your own, but it's going to give you a really good head start compared to other people that are starting off, from scratch. But when you're finished with the AI store builder, your website's going to look something like this or some variation of it. This is just a video of a previous video that I did. So we've got all the stuff that you need here. We've got cool TikToks linked onto it. All the product photography is already really good. Everything is pretty much good to go. You just have to edit some things, some of the copy, kind of customize it the way you want. So the baseline of your website is going to be created for you completely for free. But then we want to change the copy of the website still, because you kind of have to optimize your website to its best capabilities, right? So for all copy, marketing, ideation, everything, I like to use Dropbot. So Dropbot AI, all you have to do is plug in your product here. You can say like Jade Roller to help reduce skin redness and irritation. And then you can choose any of the ecom optimized outputs. So let's say we need some product descriptions. Maybe we need a skimmable header for the website, maybe some marketing angles to go along with this product. Select what you want, and then you're going to hit generate on the left side here. And then on the right side, it's going to come up with your generations, right? So your product descriptions, your skimmable headers, you can pick the one that you like and literally just copy it and paste it right into your website. It pretty much handles all of the ideation for you, so you don't really have to get super creative. It's really easy. Just copy and paste into your website and then you're good to go. So that is the copy portion of your website. And then you're also going to want to update some of the product photos to get some custom ones in there that you saw in this video right here of the website that I used for the AI store builder. So we need to kind of reduce some of the images here, because if they're pulled from AliExpress or you're adding new images, you want to make them look a lot cleaner and you don't want to make it look like they just came from AliExpress. And to do that, all you really have to do is go on Canva. So you can literally take the product from AliExpress, just paste it on the Canva here, and then you're just going to want to edit your photo. You can do background remover and it'll remove the background. You can add some shadows if you want. That's really all you have to do to make it look super clean and minimalistic. You can pretty much do all of your images on Canva. So you can see all the ones here that I've used previously in other videos. They're just images pulled from AliExpress, but just slightly modified, right? And added before and afters on top with the product in the bottom left corner here. Remove the background on some of the images. If you don't do that, again, it's just going to be pulled from AliExpress and there's going to be probably weird text all over it and all that stuff. So you really want to just kind of fine tune your photos a little bit here. So once you plug in your copy, your photos with the AI site builder, you're pretty much done. So what normally would take 12 days to build out your website fully is really going to get done within a day. It makes it super easy to get started and just ready to roll right off the bat without spending too much time on it. So it really is a lot easier in 2024 than it was back in 2018 when I started. I didn't have hardly any of these tools. You pretty much had to do everything from scratch. So you guys are lucky if you're starting off right now. You can skip a lot of the hard process here. All right, so now we found our product, right? And then we've built out our website. The next thing that you want to do is actually start working on your creatives. So there's two types of creatives that you can really do. There's video and then there's static images. I've always been a really big fan since 2021-ish sometime. I don't even remember the dates anymore, but a couple years ago, I started running static image ads in the carousel form, which was super powerful on Facebook, and it still is today. They're really great for efficiency and testing. It's way easier to create 10 image ads than it is to create 10 videos, especially if you're just in the testing stage of your product and you want to test 10 different marketing angles. angles. You don't have to go out and pay someone to get 10 videos for you, or 10 videos you film yourself and then start editing them and all this stuff, right? It takes a long time. So you can test each of your marketing angles with static ads and see which one resonates with the customer the most. I actually run static ads profitably. I'll show you right here. All of these right here on this ad account, these are all static carousel image ads. And you can see here, we've got $5 cost per purchase, $4, some all the way down to $3.92. So static image ads really, really work. And if you look at the CPMs, and if you don't know what CPMs are, I might be going too fast here, but CPMs are cost per 1,000 impressions. So every time your ad is shown 1,000 times, that's the dollar amount that you pay. So we've got $4, $3, $2.93. So the cost for traffic on image ads are way cheaper than video. Video, you're gonna see $15 to $50 CPMs. So with image ads, if you do them very well in a nice like theatrical storyline type of way with a carousel, then you can get really, really cheap traffic, like TikTok level cheap traffic on Facebook with a higher converting audience. Static image ads are slept on. So to create these static image ads, I really recommend going on creativeos.io. So it's a software that updates ad creatives from the top brands and their templates that they put onto their website that you can just steal and plug in your product to. They release 10 new creatives every single day. They also have landing pages that you can copy and paste, right? So once you get your AI store built, you can go on Creative OS, take this landing page, copy it from them right here, and plug in all of your product. And these are proven to convert landing pages from the top companies. It's quite literally copying and pasting the exact format for the highest conversion rates on your landing pages. It's pretty nuts. Again, you literally will just click copy, paste it into Figma or Canva or whatever you're using, change out the images, change out the copy with Dropbot. Your website's landing page will look exactly like the one that you chose. It's got everything from, charts like this, custom areas. And they've got pretty much every landing page that you would need from every single niche. So just choose the one that fits your niche the best, copy and paste it, update it with your product photos and your copy, and you're done. But going back to static ads, again, these are updated 10 times every single day. So there's 10 new templates coming out every day that all you have to do, if you like one and you're like, hey, I'm doing a razor company to compete with Manscaped. I really like the ads that they've been running. These look great. All you have to do is click Canva here, click use template for new design. Now you've got the template, and all you have to do is plug in your personal image here, your logo, and then change the copy if you'd like, just using Dropbot. And now you've got the exact same image ad that Manscaped has been running successfully, but you're doing it with your brand now. So you have to put a little spin on it, put your own copy on it, your own voice of the image ad. You don't want to copy it one-to-one. That is just stealing, but it gives you the perfect template of creating these image ads. You could probably do 10 image ads with 10 different angles, I would say within an hour or so. If you're familiar with Canva and you've already got your product photos ready, it really does make it super, super easy. And if you're doing like a coffee one, I really like this ad a lot actually for a static image ad. I like the font. I like the way it got the little curly arrows and all that stuff. If you can get a photo that looks like this, again, you're just going to copy it, paste it right here. Let me just show you. I can show you an exact example of how to do this. You can just copy this photo. Let's plug it in right here. And we're going to remove the background. We'll just give you a little example here. Done. Okay, we remove the background. We would plug it right here. Say this is our product. Then we change the copy, pull something from Dropbot, plug it in, change these, maybe change the background color if you'd like, and then put your logo right here. And now you've got an image ad. You can literally do this in 5-10 minutes maximum. Creative OS makes it super easy. That's my go-to for static ads and running carousels on Facebook. Facebook, Instagram, Meta, any platform, that's all paid marketing, right? So you'd have to create your image ads and then add them into a carousel and then pay for that advertising. And if you're not on that stage yet, you might want to do UGC content or organic traffic as well. So organic traffic is basically posting on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts of just videos that you've taken yourself, trying to get them to go viral. You have to film with an iPhone or something like that and just post them over and over, following trends to hopefully get one that goes viral. And then people go onto your website and purchase from you, right? And then that advertising is actually free. Static image ads are great if you're going into paid, but if you want to go into organic, it does take a little bit more time. You do have to order the product to your house. That way you can actually shoot content with it. And then you're going to post on TikTok 3 times a day until something hopefully goes viral. And it might take a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks before the algorithm on TikTok starts picking you up or you make a really nice video. Here's an example of an organic ad that I did on TikTok. This was for a laser putter. So I filmed this all on my iPhone. As you can tell, it looks very natural and not like highly professionally edited. Lower your score, grab a putter pal today, link in bio. This video has over 230,000 views on it. Super simple, easy to make. It probably took me 10 minutes to make this video. People went onto the website. You can see here, there's a lot of comments on this video. People went on there, purchased from me, and then I made money. And the margin was higher because there was no paid advertising involved. So that's really a step for content creation and testing out your advertisements. Again, you can go paid and you can also go organic. It really is up to you and your budget. Organic is nice because it teaches you the element of how to make videos, how to create viral videos, and just testing out trends. And then you're also having the benefit of getting that free traffic. You're only spending your time. Versus paid is more sustainable. You kind of have more control over what you're advertising. And it's a lot easier to test in the beginning, especially with static ads, because you don't technically have to order the product to your house. You can just get image ad templates from Creative OS, plug in your product from AliExpress, remove the background, and make it look really nice. So in terms of time and efficiency of testing, paid is way better. If you're tighter on a budget and you want to learn how to make videos, then organic might be the route for you. But either way, you're going to try to get traffic to your store and hopefully make some sales. Now, the next step after we found the product, we've created the website, we created the ads, and we're starting to get some traffic onto the website. Hopefully someone purchases. Hopefully you make your first sale within a week to 2 weeks of posting content. That's a pretty good goal, in my opinion, to try to get right now in 2024. So it'd be great if you saw your first sale come in within 1 to 2 weeks. But now that we've got a sale, we actually have to fulfill that order to the customer, right? So they purchase from us, we're gonna send that order to our supplier, who's gonna send it directly to the customer, right? The easiest way to do this without trying to find a supplier on AliExpress or Alibaba, because they're super unreliable and really hard to find and hard to communicate with, especially like in a trust factor, takes a lot of time to find one. The easiest just go to is Zendrop. They integrate directly with Shopify. They have the relationships with the manufacturers. They have their own warehousing, so it's all guaranteed. And you're also working with a United States-based company. Therefore, the trust is more established already and the communication is really easy. So all I have to do is sign up to Zendrop. They have a free plan as well down below in the description. And then you're going to connect your store onto it and it's going to open up this dashboard like this, right? And now when you're on the dashboard, you can look through the trending products and see what they have available. If you notice right here, it says buy Zendrop fulfillment. So these are the ones that they have full control over. They also have some third-party suppliers that help them out, but the ones that they have full control over, they are guaranteed arrive in a timely manner and it just makes it way easier. And once you connect your store onto Zendrop and you find a new product that you want to test out, maybe this face mask right here, you just click add to my products. It sends it over your store and uploads it for you. And now it's on your website, it's ready to sell, and your supplier is already linked because it's through Zendrop. And once you actually start getting some sales rolling in, maybe 25, 50 orders a day, they can do things like bundles and boxes, and as well as branding, right? So you can start private labeling things. You can have custom boxes made. If you want to do bundles, you can have like a Valentine's Day bundle. They'll put that all together for you as you're scaling your store. Your supplier is super important, so it's great to have a really good partnership with your supplier. They want you to grow and you want to grow as well, and you want to rely on them for supplying your products. So Zendrop makes it super, super easy to do this. So what happens once you link Zendrop onto your store, you've got your order section here, right? And say someone bought something off of you. You're going to see this show up in the orders section right here. You can actually turn on auto fulfillment. It'll automatically order that product the next day, and then it'll send all of the information back onto Shopify, who then sends it out to the customer automatically. So it'll update like the shipping information, when the order is shipped, the updates on the order, that'll all be done for you automatically. So you don't really have to focus on that customer service side of it. You really just have to focus on marketing and generating more sales for your business, which is really nice. So they take that kind of hands-off approach for you. So you've got your product. We built out the website. We talked about ad creatives and how to set them up and what you should be doing. And then we've got the supplier lockdown. Now the next step is the final step, which is kind of reinvest and repeat this process, right? So we've gone through a brief overview of this entire thing of like the easiest way to start this. But once you find something successful that works, you really kind of have to double down. You want to test new marketing angles. You want to test new products, maybe upsell some products alongside the main product that you're selling, but you never want to just like kind of let it ride, because there's going to be a time where your ads stop performing, whether it's paid ads or organic. An organic video can only go so viral. It's going to stop getting views after a week, 2 weeks probably. So in the game of e-commerce and dropshipping, you always have to be kind of chasing that next winning product or that winning marketing angle or ad creative. So even if you're making money off of this, you can always scale it up, but you should always be testing, because inevitably when the ad stops working as well, you want to have something lined up and ready to to go so you don't lose your income stream. So these are the exact steps and the method that I take to building all new brands from scratch right now. I know I didn't cover them in super detail, but I have videos on my YouTube channel covering each of these steps in detail, like 30 minutes to an hour and a half long videos. I just want to give you a brief overview of the step-by-step process I would be taking right now. And if you want to dive deeper into each of these, or you want to work on each step individually and you want to get a deeper dive and more analysis into each step, just go into my channel. You will find everything that you need right there. I hope this video helped you guys. I hope it was a good summary of the steps that you should be taking right now to start. Again, everything is so easy in 2024 that you really don't have an excuse to get this up in a weekend if you actually try and dedicate some time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave a comment down below on what video you want to see next. I'm posting 2 videos a week, so make sure to come back to my channel if you are interested in e-commerce. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.